Hi, what you doing? Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm Luke, Michelin star winning chef, D1 athlete, and printing enthusiast. What do we have here? It appears this machine is broken. Let's fix it. So, what they call this in the biz is a Wepa machine. The first thing you'll do is go retrieve the Wepa key from the information desk closet. So now that you have the key, we're able to take care of two issues here, a paper jam, and if it's out of paper. We're going to take the key and unlock the front panel. Now we're going to open the front panel. Now we can see the inner workings of the Wepa machine. Once the front plate is off, you're able to pull out the machine. This is how you're going to assess what's wrong. Take a little peek at this screen. It'll let you know what you need to fix. Okay, it looks like it wants me to load some paper. I'll find the paper down here in this bottom drawer. Take a remount and unwrap it from the packaging. There are two trays where paper could be loaded. Here. What you're gonna do is just slide it between these two blue pieces, tuck it on in, close, and down here. Again, slide it in between the two blue pieces and close. Here's an important step. You need to make sure that it says letter in these little windows. Okay, this time there's a paper jam. I see it right here on this little screen. In order to locate the jam, you just hit the help button and read through where you need to dislodge the paper that's stuck. The two locations where there might be a paper jam are here or here. Well, look at this. It looks like it's fixed. We're in IT. What we're gonna do is use some strength and push the printer back into its home. Then we'll close the door and relock the locks. All fixed. There you have it.